Greetings everyone, we are Group-37 and in this final presentation, we will showcase our working app using an emulator. For recap, we wanted to make an online platform for retail buyers and wholesale sellers to connect. We are not like any other online shopping website because we provide dynamic discounts based on what is ordered in your location. We have a cheaper platform fee since we combine orders from the same location. And lastly, we allow different buyers to chip in small quantities in order to reach a larger quantity, which will be in wholesale quantity, and more discounts will be applicable. Let me talk about our app using the emulator. If you are not an existing user, you have an option to register with your first name, last name, email, and password. If you are an existing user, you can log in using your email and password. After logging in, you'll be taken to the interface where you have an option to either log in as buyer or seller. Let me start by the buyer page. My teammate will now talk about the buyer side.
So once you click on the buy button, you'll be taken to the buyer interface of our app, and here you will be able to see all the products listed on our platform by different sellers, and you can also see the price of each product as well as the quantity that has been sold in your neighborhood till now, and the quantity that is required to achieve the next applicable discount. So you can see, let's add this to the cart, and we've also implemented a search feature where you can search for different products available on our app easily and add products to your cart according to your needs. Now let's go to the cart page. Here, as you can see, as you can recall from the home page, we needed 3 total quantity for lamb chops to get the next applicable discount. So if we add 3 quantity of lamb chops, you can see we have been awarded a 5% discount of over $300 since we have achieved the quantity goal. So continuing to the checkout, we have implemented the checkout page using Stripe API, and you can enter all the necessary details required for us to deliver your order as soon as possible. And we have you have the option to make payment for your order using your credit or debit card details. So as you can see, after entering the details for your payment payment method, you can click on the pay button, and you can, so as you can see, I'm listed on the mobile number, so I'll enter it quickly. And once all the details have been entered, you can press on the pay button and your order will be placed within a second. And as you can see, we've received an order ID. So going into our orders table, you can see that we have received your order successfully. You can also see your view your order later through the Manage Orders tab, which is available on the profile page, and you can see all the details of your order later on as well. You also have the option to cancel the order later on as well.
So now we will talk about how to upload a picture. For uploading a picture, we will click this button, and then we will select a picture that we want to upload and crop it and upload it as a profile picture. Here you can see that our profile picture has been updated. Now let's talk about the AI chatbot that our app has. So we can say hi to the robot, and we can talk about various things that we want to ask the robot. For example, where can I find the products? We can talk about what are the discounts available, and the robot will reply accordingly. And for example, let's ask the robot about the discounts available, and the robot is telling us about 5%, 10%, 15% discount available at the moment. Now, if you want to talk with someone else who is registered on the app, we can go to the message section and click the person's profile. And here you can see that the person has asked about what about the lamb chops. So we can reply to the person accordingly that if you want to buy it or not. So let's send that message to the person. Here you can see that we can easily communicate with that person, and like we can communicate and buy things together, which will help us to get more discount. Now I will pass my time to my teammate who will explain further about the seller side. Thank you.
Now I'm going to show you the seller side of the interface by clicking on the sell button. the seller will be redirected to the seller homepage where he can view the list of grocery items available in his store. He can also see the product price, etc. And he also has the option to add a grocery item to his corresponding store. So you can enter the product name, the quantity, and by simply copy and pasting the image URL, he can display the product image on the app. He can also enter the quantity required to avail discount. As the quantity increases, the discount also increases respectively. And by clicking on the add product, the product will be shown on the homepage of the seller page, and also it will be dynamically added to our backend database, which is Firebase. The seller can access the manage pickup orders page, where he can see the list of orders which the customer has placed. By clicking on the option, he can arrange the respective pickup. As you can see, by clicking on arrange pickup, the order pickup has been scheduled. And also, once the respective product has been delivered to the customer who ordered it, this page will be refreshed dynamically and the list of items would be emptied.
So that would be the end of our presentation. The user can log out by clicking on the signing out button, and you'll be taken to the login screen again. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a good day.